Have you ever thought that we can collect signatures from a Google form? Yes, we can. Before watching the video, please subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed. Thank you. Welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain how to collect signatures using Google Forms. So for that, first we have to create a Google form like this. So in Google Forms, we can go for a blank form or from a template. So I am going through a template here. Yes. So here I have a contact information template. So I'll be using this directly. So click on this contact information. Yes, this is what we get the contact information. So here already name, email, address and phone number, comments. These are the questions which are given already in this Google form. So how to add the signature? So for that, go to an add-on here, click on this and click on this add-ons and you'll get a new window. In the search apps, click signature here. Yes. And please install this app. The installation of apps is the same for all the apps. So please click on continue and select the mail ID and click on allow here. Yes. So this procedure is same for whatever the add-ons or apps we are installing. Yes, it is installed. We can click on done and close this window. And this is the form we have for which the add-on signature has to be linked up. Yes. So click on this add-ons. You will get signature. Click on this signature and click on start here. Yes, we'll get a window like every add-on here at the right side. So we can add a single signature. So only 3 single signatures will be available. So I have used one already. So for that I am getting only 2 here. So instead of that, we can go it for multiple signatures. Click on multiple signature and we get these options like this. So this is optional. We can set a limit for number of signatures per form responses. So here we can set the limit. This is optional. So I'm not setting any limit here. So I'm clicking on submit. So allow respondents to add signatures to their response. Yes. Please click on confirm. Response sheet is missing. So here we did not create any response sheet. So I'm clicking on back and I am clicking on responses. So if you are doing it for the first time, you will get like this. So click on this create spreadsheet and create a new one. Yes, a new spreadsheet has been created like this. So let me close this again, or otherwise let's go back here and click on submit again. Click on confirm. Yes. So here we have to click on get link. Okay. So we have to click on get link. We will get a link and this is success. Yes. Yeah. So if you want the signatures of the members who are filling this Google form, we should not use this send option. So already we have clicked here and got a link just now. So ask them to fill the link with this form. So I am filling the link here. I am right clicking it and pasting the link here, which I have got from the signature tab. So if you send like the regular using options like send, using these options, you will not get this signature done. So signature add-on will give us a separate link for this, so that we can do this. So here we have got already the option get link. So after clicking on get link, we'll get a link which is already copied, and I'm pasting it. Yes. So here we can see show signature page at the left side with green color. So name, I'm writing it here. Email, I'm sorry, name I have written like this, and email. Yes. Next, address. Yes, phone number is not mandatory. And at last, if you see, there is a signature bar. So here we have use the green button at the top left of the page. So we have to go to this green button, click on this show signature page. Yes, so this is what we got. So is in this place we have to sign using our signature. Here I am doing it. Yes, suppose this is my signature. So I am clicking on finish signing, and have you added all the signatures you need to? Number of signatures to send 1. Yes, I am sending only 1. So I am clicking on confirm here. So after clicking on confirm, you'll get an option to copy the link, and clicking on copy again and return to form. It will return to form again, and we have to paste the link here which is copied just now and submit it. Yes, thanks for submitting your contact info. So let's go back to our Google form and check how the signature has been sent to us. Yes, there is a mail. Yeah, so this is the thing which we have entered just now, and the signature will be directly sent to our Google Drive. And when you click this, we will get, yes, when we click this link, we will get a signature which is done by the other one. Yes, this is what, yes, this is what we get the signatures, right? So if you want the authentication to be perfect by using Google Form, so this will be the best method to use for any type. So I think I'm clear in this video. So thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you very much.